The Microsoft AI avocado, Henk Boelman, explains why artificial intelligence is perfect for every lazy developer. Henk explains how Azure Cognitive Services can detect faces and interpret the feelings on that face, identify objects in pictures, and how you can use it with any project you're working on. Avocados. Today we're going to talk about obviously machine learning, but also more about sort of where does that fit into the Azure kind of whole picture of everything, right? So, Henk, why machine learning?
Why machine learning? It's like a great way of doing things. And actually, if you're like a lazy developer, you don't have to type all those if-then-else statements. You just make your data scientist give you data, and you can actually train a model. But even if you don't want to do that, don't want to train it yourself, there are a lot of cognitive services which you can just use. Just call an API and you have intelligence in your application. So our first layer is the cognitive services layer. There are like around 30 APIs you can just leverage in your solutions. So there's an API. If you want to do face detection, just send a picture, get all the faces back, tell you about your age, emotions, your gender, if you're happy or not. Or if you want to do like main object detection, like this is a car, this is a person, just send a photo and it will even tell you where those objects are. And that is just an API call. So any developer should be able to do that in any language. These machine learning models are very generic. For the object detection, it's very generic. It can detect a car, but it cannot detect a brand or very specific things. So then when you want to make them more specific, we have services as the custom vision service, where you can upload your pictures just through an interface, upload like 50 or more from your object, hit a train button and it will expose a model for you. So then you can basically detect everything you want.
So you said model, I noticed. What is a model in machine learning world? Like if I'm a developer, never looked at machine learning, how do you explain a model? What is it?
So a model is the delivery of your training. So you train a model using TensorFlow or our custom vision service, and it delivers basically it is like a method. Something goes in, something goes out. Only now you didn't explicitly program it, but the algorithm created this model for you. So from a developer's perspective, you can look at it as a function. You put X in and you get Y out.
Okay.
If you want to do it yourself on your own data on scale, we have Azure Machine Learning Service. And that tool enables you to work as a team together to build predictive and analytic solutions. Work as a team, you start building your pipelines like Damien always talks about the whole MLOps.
Yeah, that's Damien Brady, who's also on the show.
Yes, so he talks about that, and that process delivers a model. But to run those pipelines, to train your model, that needs so much power. Some models are trained for like 2 weeks or like this big GPU clusters we have. And your small laptop, will just melt. I have a course on how you can, or a project actually, how you can create a smile detector, and that will give you like a good introduction of what is possible with the Face API.
Oh, that's very cool. So the link will be below, so go check that out as well.
Yes.
Yeah. But what about, is there docs on Azure as well that you can...
Yes, there are lots of MS Learn content. There are a lot of docs with lots of great tutorials. And of course, we travel all over the world to talk about it, how to get started.
Which is why you're here. So thank you very much, Henk, for joining us here at Orlando, and good luck with the rest of the conference.
Thank you.